Hello, my sweet peeps, and this is your kiss for today, keeping it simple spirituality. We are going to do the give and receive breath. So when we inhale, we're going to focus on giving. When we exhale, we're going to focus on receiving. So it's kind of a different vibe here, but let's give it a go. Always in through the nose, out through the mouth for now. So here we go. Let's focus on giving as we inhale. Here we go. Now receive that energy as you exhale. See it coming into you. Now give as you inhale. All right, exhale, receive. Feel that energy. Feel that energy. It's very different. All right, inhale and give. Exhale and receive. And again, here we go. Inhale, give the energy. Exhale, receive the energy. One more time, let's go over it. Inhale, give. Exhale and receive. Now close your eyes. Feel that activation. Feel that cellular molecular energy that's moving in your physical vessel. Let's go. 15 seconds. Close the eyes. Here we go. Let's drop in. Breathing normally. Feel that vibration. 10 seconds. Bathe in that movement. 5 seconds. And release. All right. Till next time, that was your kiss for today.